Hello friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about DIY Father's Day gift ideas. This video is coming a little late because of some unfortunate things that happened back in my country, which were both disturbing and heartbreaking. But anyways, life moves on and so do we. So without further ado, let's get started. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to support my channel. For the first DIY, I took black felt fabric and embroidery hoop. You can make this on cardboard also if you do not have fabric and embroidery hoop. Next, I glued some stars according to the constellation Aries on the hoop like so. You can choose whatever constellation your dad belongs to, and the details of the constellation and stars can be found on the internet along with the position of the stars. Next, I spray painted using white acrylic paint and a fan brush to make small and distant stars. Finally, I wrote love you to the stars and back, and I think this is a very adorable and easy gift from kids who are interested in astronomy. For the next DIY, I took a big pebble and painted it in sky blue using acrylic colors. I mixed white and blue to get this color. I did 2 coats of color for a smoother finish and let it dry for around half an hour. Once dry, I wrote Dad, you rock with blue acrylic paint. Next, I tied a wire around it and twisted it several times and fixed a beautiful father and daughter picture. For the third DIY, I wanted to make a personalized t-shirt, so I took my daughter's hand mark on paper and cut it. I then placed it on the t-shirt with some weight on top and spray painted on all the sides. I missed covering the sides at first, but later covered the sides using tissue paper and then spray painted. And this is how it looks. It looks adorable when done with small kids to make as a keepsake for their little hands. Next, I made a Father's Day card using a black A4 size cardstock and white A4 size sheet. I folded it at the center and then folded the two sides to look like a suit. I also trimmed the corners like so. Then I folded the A4 size sheet and inserted it inside the black cardstock. Next, I glued black glitter foam sheet to the sides and cut the corners like so. I also made a bow using black glitter foam sheet like so and glued it to the top. Finally, I wrote some captions and put a father-daughter pic to it. It looks so cute, and this can be made by kids as little as 5 years old. So do give it a try. And for the last DIY, I made a cake topper using glitter foam sheet. I hand wrote the caption Rockstar Dad and cut it. You can use captions of your choice from the internet and in the fonts of your choice. Take a printout and then cut it out. Just ensure that all the letters are connected to each other. I then glued two barbecue skewers to the two sides of the cake topper and glued some stars to it, and I got a customized cake topper. This is so easy to make and I love how it turned out. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and bye bye.